So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can find the hidden phone number of a Facebook profile. But this works with Facebook and Facebook Messenger too. So we will go through only 3 steps, and for proceeding with the very first step, for example, if I open up a profile here. Now there are many profiles whose phone number is displayed on their profile page. As you can see, I can get the phone number of this profile by tapping on this call now button. So first of all, you have to simply visit that profile and see if that person has publicly posted his or her phone number. But if that's not the case and the phone number is not publicly available like this one, then let's move towards the step number 2. For that purpose, let me open another profile from here, and as you can see that this person has not publicly posted his phone number and there is not any option of call now. For such kind of profiles, you have to go to this about button available on that profile, and here you will find the phone number which will be associated with that particular Facebook profile. If I tap on that phone number, it will redirect me to his WhatsApp account which he has connected with this. So this was the second way to find the phone number of that person, by going into this about section. But if this is also not the case, the person has not provided his phone number publicly and also you are not able to find his phone number in the about section, then you have to go with the step number 3, and for that purpose, let me open the profile of any person, for example this one here. Now if I go into the about section of this person, you can see that there is not any phone number. So what you have to do is tap on this message button available and write a message, "Hey, may I get your phone number?" and send the message. Now just wait for the response. Thank you so much.